Here we have the Range Rover SV Autobiography. You have privacy glass, 22-inch alloys with a diamond turned finish, a powered tailgate, and going into the boot you also have an electrically deployable tow bar, which is the best tow bar option that we do. And then you can close the boot using this button here. You also have keyless entry. And going into the back of the vehicle, you have 10-inch rear seat entertainment, which is ideal if you have children and go on long journeys often. And going into the front, you have electrically deployable side steps, making it easy to get in and out of the vehicle. Autobiography illuminated tread plates and an ebony pimento leather interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light. A front centre console cooler compartment, which is handy if you're going on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. You also have ambient lighting with several different colours to choose from, which looks quite cool, especially in the dark. You also have a rear view camera with a 360-degree option, making parking and reversing a lot easier. Sat nav and other functions which can all be controlled using the buttons on your wheel. You also have cruise control and blind spot monitor, making driving along the motorway safer and easier, along with a heated steering wheel and heated and cooled front seats, which are also massage, which is a luxury to have. The seats are also memory, which is ideal if there's several people driving the vehicle, and you also have a Meridian sound system. You also have a diamond cut detailing, head-up display, which is great as it stops you getting distracted looking back down. And this vehicle has done 25,343 miles. Stepping back outside the car, you also have soft door close. That was the Range Rover SV Autobiography. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 131. Thank you.